Hello, Links learners. Happy Monday. I hope you're all having a great start to your week. In this video, I'm going to be announcing the 2 winners of the Unity and Stop Bullying Challenge. The winners are going to be receiving a $10 gift card for Starbucks, okay? So we're gonna select a winner from upper grades and a winner from lower grade levels, okay? But before I get started with that, I'm gonna do that at the end of this video. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Red Ribbon Week because this week we are celebrating Red Ribbon Week, all right? So you guys might be wondering, why are we doing all of these different theme days? Like, what is this all about? Like, I wore my crazy socks today, but I don't know why I'm doing it. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about that. Red Ribbon Week is a campaign, and it is the oldest and largest drug prevention program in the nation. And it reaches millions of young people during the Red Ribbon Week, which is this week that we're celebrating right now, from October 23rd until October 31st each year. So this is an annual event. But what is Red Ribbon Week? It is an ideal way for people and communities to unite and take a visible stand against drugs. So we show our personal commitment to a drug-free lifestyle through the symbol of the red ribbon from October 23rd until the 31st. So today, we're doing Crazy Socks Day, right? Sock It to Drugs Day, right? So tomorrow we have a different theme. You can find the activities and different themes in the Microsoft Teams and Class Dojo. There's a flyer that has the themes for each day. I saw so many Links learners this morning wearing their crazy socks. I'm wearing mine, also some teachers. So thank you for your support in raising awareness against drugs, right? Drugs are no good for you. We don't want that in our community, in our families, in our schools. We don't want any of it. So we want to raise awareness against it, all right? Okay, so let's jump right in to selecting our winners for submitting either a video or a poster or drawing indicating or showing how they stand up to bullying, right? So I selected 2 top upper grade nominees and 2 top lower grades nominees. And I'm going to place them, I've placed them here. I placed, these are upper grades right now, and then we're gonna do lower grades. So I have 2 names here of the top 2 submissions that just really showed, whether it was with their video or poster, how they stand up to bullying, okay? So I'm gonna shake them up, shake, 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 shake. I'm gonna pick one, and whoever's name I pull out, that is the person that won the gift card, okay? Let me read the name. Okay, so this was actually lower grades, not upper grades, lower grades. So for lower grade levels, that means from pre-K to 1st grade. The winner is, drum roll, Milagro Guillen. Woo, 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 Milagro, good job. Milagro actually did both. She did a video and she did a poster. So it's amazing. I love, love, love what you did, Milagros. Amazing work. You won the $10 gift card to Starbucks. You can go and get yourself a little smoothie or breakfast sandwich or whatever you like. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and I want to also highlight from the lower grade levels. I want to highlight Mario Balmaceda. He did an amazing job as well. He did a video and a drawing. It was so hard to pick a top winner because you both did amazing. Okay. Now I'm going to put the upper grade levels in here, and we have two students here. Shake, shake, shake. And shake, 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 close my eyes, mix it up. All right, let's see who is the winner for our upper grade levels. So from from second to 5th grade. Are you ready? Ambar Sid. All right, Ambar, you did an awesome video. She even posted it on YouTube. She edited it. She did so good, saying how different things she would do to stand up to bullying, okay? So congratulations to our top 2 winners from lower grades and upper grades, Milagros Guillen and Ambar Sid. Thank you for participating. And yeah, if you are in the school building, I'm going to take the gift card to you, and make sure that your teacher gives it to your parents. And if you are a virtual student, you can come into the school building. I'm gonna call your parents. They can come into the school building to pick it up, okay? Awesome, yay, I'm excited. Don't forget to participate in all of our different themes going on this week so you can help raise awareness against drugs for Red Ribbon Week. All right, have an awesome day.